Hello, welcome back everybody. Today's video I was able to find a Gleaner S97, and this just isn't any S97. This is a Centennial 100-year anniversary model. When I first seen this, I was excited to get this video. I'm pulling the grain cart along with it. It was an Allis Chalmers W4-305, and it's not every day you get to see Allis Chalmers tractors along with the Gleaner combine, especially being the 100-year anniversary. So there was an Allis Chalmers 8070 on property too, getting ready to do some tillage work. I didn't get that in the video, but I did like seeing the old Allis Chalmers right along the Gleaner combine. So I do apologize, I wasn't able to get any drone footage of this combine. It just didn't work out. I would have liked to got some more video of the 4W305 with unloading, but I got some really good shots of the S97. I think you guys are going to like them. Just to talk a little bit about the S97, the Super Series, the engine in this combine you're going to see today is an AGCO-powered inline 7-cylinder, 9.8-liter twin turbocharged diesel engine. It puts out 375 horsepower with a maximum boost horsepower of 451. Grain tank capacity on this combine is 390 bushels, and this thing weighs just over 34,000 pounds. Equipped on it is an 8-row corn head, and this thing had no problem moving through the field at speed, taking down corn. So let's go ahead and see this thing in action. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys like to see tractor videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.